Okay, so what we're doing is we're taking these paper strips and we're going to turn them into the elements in order to do our project to demonstrate radial symmetry, and we're starting off with along 2 axes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and like you roll ribbon and stuff like that. You can take the scissors and do that. You don't have to do that. What you want to do is you want to get a nice tight beginning on this where you can see that, right? And then I'm going to hold it by the sides and then roll it through my fingers. Hold it by the sides, roll it through my fingers. So I got this nice and tight. It's got a nice tight little center on it. You don't want to make Cheerios. You want to make like, I don't know, what do they look like? Like the mutant, you know how SpaghettiOs have big ones and little ones? The little ones with the tiniest little hole in it? That's what you want. All right, so I have this one right there. And then I'm just going to let this go just a tiny little bit. And sometimes, and I get these cute little spirals on the interiors of them. I'm going to take this little part right here. I'm going to put the tiniest little bit of glue there. And then I'm going to hold it. And it's going to take like 2 seconds. The least, you just want enough glue to make it hold it. And then it's there. And then you keep going. Now we're working on a base unit of 4 because we have 2 axes. So when we talk about that, it's like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. We are going to do at least 32. And you need 32 that like sets of 4 look alike, okay? So start rolling them, and then I'll walk around and we'll talk about what you've got going on and what you need to do, okay? Thanks.